Hello everyone, I'm Paulomi and I would like to wish each and all of you a very happy new year 2023. And I'm starting my cooking channel. I've named it as Passion for Cooking, where I'll be uploading some dishes weekly or bi-weekly. Please watch our videos and do comments us and encourage us in making more such cooking videos for you all. Thank you so much. And today I'm going to make microwave steamed prawn curry, and it is a traditional Bengali dish which I would like to share with all of you. I have taken 500 grams of raw prawn which I have already washed and I have kept it aside. To make this prawn curry, prawn malai curry, I have taken some turmeric powder, I have taken some mustard seeds which I have already soaked for last 30 minutes. There is salt, we have sugar, we have a red chili powder, and we have Kashmiri red chili powder as well. And to make this dish I'm also going to use some yogurt. Apart from this, the main ingredient for this prawn malai curry will be grated coconut, so I have kept it aside and ready for grinding. To make this prawn malai curry, as I'll be making it in the microwave in the steamed form, so what I will do firstly I will just grind the mustard seeds, salt and the turmeric powder here, which I have kept it ready. So I will take it first here. And with that I will take some turmeric powder. I will grind it, and salt, which I will also put it here. So my first job will be to grind this. Salt I will not give all of it at the moment, so afterwards I will be giving if I need it. So I will just take some water from here and I will grind it. Make sure the paste is done properly so that when you eat the prawn malai curry it doesn't feel awkward. So now the grinding is done, and as I said you that it was mustard seed, salt, turmeric only. So to this paste I'm going to add coconut. That's all. I will again take some water. Some more coconut, and I will grind it up. So the paste is done now, so I will keep it aside, and I will keep the raw prawns on this microwave bowl. After this I'm going to add this paste. Please scrape up the entire thing which is in the jar because it seems a lot in here. I don't want to waste it. And also from here. Keep that aside. With this, I'm going to add some chili powder. This is the normal chili powder which will give you some spice. And some Kashmiri red chili as well. I will add some more salt, some sugar, I will mix this entire yogurt in here. And we'll mix it up nicely. Once you are done mixing this, just don't forget to add some green chilies, slit it up. So it's up to you how many green chilies you want to put it in your dish. I generally put 4 of it, which is pretty much good for our family. It tastes so yummy. At the last, don't forget to add mustard oil to your dish before you put it in the microwave. So this is pretty much done now. So next what I will be doing, then you just cover up the dish with a cling wrap. It's okay if you are using a covered microwave bowl with a lid, you can just cover up this dish with a lid. I'm using cling wrap here, and this dish I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. So once I have put the dish in the microwave, it's cooking now. So after 5 minutes, take out your dish and check if the prawns are cooked. We don't want to make it stiff. At the same time, we don't want it raw. So we'll check the correct softness in the prawns. So now 5 minutes is done and I have off the microwave. So what I will do is I will take out the dish. Make sure, be very careful because this will get very warm. And I will remove the cling wrap. Make sure when you're opening the cling wrap, the steam comes up, and if you're not experienced, you will hurt your hands. So just mix it up once again. While you are mixing up, just check for the softness of the prawn. So it still needs to be cooked for another 3 to 4 minutes until it gets really soft. So what I will do, I will cover up the cling wrap again. And I will put for another 3 minutes in the microwave. I said it's alright. I was not able to just pick it up on my bed. 4 minutes. Now 4 minutes is over. I have off the microwave and now I will take out the dish. Let's see. Remove the cling wrap and keep it aside. Give a good stir. And check for the softness. Oh yes, it's perfectly cooked now. So the dish is done. So whenever some guests come to your house, this is a very easy recipe, it doesn't take much time. Put it in a plate nicely. And for garnishing, put some coriander leaves in here. And your dish is ready to serve. I hope you like it. Please try at your home and let me know in the comments. Thank you.